Hey everyone, how are you all doing? Hope you're all doing good and reading some amazing books over there. This is Anusha and you're watching Get Lost with Books. Today I'm going to talk about one of the creepiest and one of the fast-paced book that I have read until now. I first thought that I'll do a complete review on this book, like completely explaining how the story is, what happens, all those stuff, but oh my god, due to this twist, I thought that I'll give you a spoiler free review. So imagine yourself, you are stuck in a house and it's very dark, it's snowing heavily, you don't have any phone signal to call anyone for rescue, and your vehicle is stuck and you are not able to move ahead properly, and the vehicle is stuck with all those snow over it, and it's very dark and you're all by yourself, locked up in a haunted house, very big house, which is of a museum size. That is how Never Lie by Frida McFadden starts. Trust me, guys, I finished this amazing book in just 3 days. I couldn't keep it aside. I couldn't stop myself from reading this. This was crazy, crazy, crazy. This book was first published in 2022. It's a mystery book, and the author is, as you know, Frida McFarlane. The story starts where a couple is going in a car and they are faced with all those heavy snow and it's getting dark and they are stuck. And somehow they find this very big, huge house and they go inside and they try to come out, but it's snowing very heavily and they are stuck without any phone signal and it's very dark and the snow just is not stopping. The house belongs to a psychiatrist who went missing years ago, and the female lead, she finds the recordings of all those psychiatrist sessions with her patient, and more mysteries come into picture. Okay, this is where I'll be stopping because I don't want to give you spoilers. I want you to go read the book and enjoy the thrill. So, what did I love about this book? Everything? Yeah, I loved everything about this book. Started reading this book and it's going on and it's going on. Usually, Frida McFadden's book that I have read so far, it gives you all the twists and plots in the end. I mean, like that feeling of oh my god, oh my god. That kind of feeling. It comes only later in the book, right? But in this book, it comes from the very beginning. Like from the very beginning, you start creeping out. Like oh my god, what's happening? That kind of feeling. That's what I liked a lot about this book. It kept giving you that chills, that scary feeling in every chapters as it moved forward. You just keep reading. You just can't stop. And the character building. Oh my god, oh my god, like so Frida McFadden, she always disappoints you in the end by making your assumption wrong, which is a good way for a thriller book, right? Only then it gives you those oh my god kind of feeling, right? So you are always wrong. In this book, you are wrong. Whatever you think it's not true, it's wrong. In the end, you are like questioning what just happened, what just happened. That's the kind of thrill this book gives you chills in every chapter. That's what I loved about this book. I think this is my fourth book by Frida McFadden and I loved it. This was so exciting book, this was so creepy, and I was getting amazed in each moment, so I recorded myself reading this book. Go check it out. How was the video? I'm not kidding, guys. This was my real expression while I was reading. I couldn't control my expressions, so I just went ahead and recorded this. I hope you loved it. So, do I have anything negative about this book? Not really. The writing was to the point, it was perfect. I don't have anything or any complaints about this book. But I think in some situations, the characters in this book, they could have taken some other steps that would have stopped all this mess that happened. But again, it's a thriller book. If everything goes right, if everything is like la la kind of thing, then where will you get the thrill from, right? So it is what it is. Have you read this amazing book? Let me know how you felt in the comment section. I would love to know how you felt while reading this book. That was all about Never Lie by Frida McFadden. Hope you loved this video. So, if you like thriller books, if you love this kind of books, or if you love books written by Frida McFadden, I'll be adding my another review video here. Go check it out. That's all for today, guys. Meet you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye.